try to go to Orlando this winter. So if we go to Universal, we'll go to
SeaWorld.
Or actually, I'd like to go over to Busch Gardens.
I don't really care for Busch Gardens. I mean, yeah, but sure. I'm game if it's roller coasters.
Yeah, but you'd only have to be able to go to one.
Oh, SeaWorld then.
Oh, really?
Honestly, yeah. I mean, it's up to you, but most people would say SeaWorld.
Really? They have
Yeah.
like 3.
That sucks, sorry.
I almost thought about going on it.
You did? I would get so salty.
I was on the 3rd car.
Man, that second stop. Oh, it's closed. Oh, it's done. Oh, it's done. Man, well, since I remember, this was all blocked off last year.
Yeah. Yeah, you can. That sign that says sideboard this way, they bring you on this.
Off the streets and in the country with very good reason. For years now, they've become lawless.
They're high-tech military vehicles that were developed by the government's anti-supervillain task force, Argus. The RTVs are some...
They were different. Here we go. God, I'm like low-key nervous. Well, I should be though, right? Like,
I'm not gonna be nervous because it's not like
it's not fast
it's
either.
Not a swing.
Yeah,
right?
it's not fast either.
I hate
It's only like 70 feet tall. About my hand.
it. Here you're just really you're just spinning.
Yeah.
That won't bother me.
Slowly though, yeah.
Yeah. I actually hate the big swings.
Oh, you do?
Like when you
Those
go
are the
back and
best.
forth, like
Yeah, those are the best.
Oh, I hate that.
So like the Barnstormer, well, like a Dollywood?
Yeah.
That was awesome. That one sucked because of the near miss effect. You know, you're drunk.
Mine Train, Skull Mountain, all open.
Yes! Skull Mountain
is now open.
That's good. Hold on, wait 1 sec.
Party.com